Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pictory AI login problems, workspace and render errors step by step clearly. To fix Pictory AI login problems, start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and active internet connection before attempting to log in. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and find the option to clear browsing data. Select the cache and cookies to remove, then restart your browser. Try to log in to Pictory again after clearing your cache. If the problem persists, check for any updates to your web browser. Updating your browser to the latest version can resolve compatibility issues. Moreover, consider using a different browser or device. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can affect your ability to log in. If you're encountering workspace errors, verify your account status. Make sure your Pictory subscription is active and in good standing. If necessary, log into your account on the Pictory website to check your subscription. If you still face issues, try logging out and then back into your account. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary glitches. If you experience render errors, ensure your video files meet Pictory's format requirements. Refer to Pictory's guidelines for supported formats and sizes. If your files are compliant, consider re-uploading them to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, check your project settings to confirm everything is configured correctly. Look out for any error messages displayed during the rendering process. These messages can provide hints about what might be wrong. If all these steps do not resolve the problem, contact Pictory's support team. Provide them with detailed information about the issues you are facing. This will help them assist you more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.